Welcome to Daily Home Trends. If you are looking to bring warmth, charm, and timeless elegance into your home, Mediterranean interior design is the perfect choice. Inspired by coastal regions like Spain, Greece, and Italy, this style embraces natural materials, earthy tones, and effortless beauty. Let's explore some stunning Mediterranean interior design ideas that will transform your space. Mediterranean interiors are all about embracing nature-inspired colors. Think warm terracotta, sun-kissed ochre, deep ocean blues, and crisp whites. These tones create a cozy yet airy ambience that reflects the beauty of the Mediterranean coastline. Whether you are designing a single room or an entire home, using this color palette will transport you to a sun-soaked Mediterranean retria. One of the key features of Mediterranean design is its stunning architectural elements. Arched doorways add a touch of elegance, while exposed wooden beams and textured stucco walls bring warmth and character to the space. These details create a rustic yet sophisticated feel. Incorporating vintage-inspired wrought iron railings or hand-carved wooden doors can enhance the authenticity of the design. Flooring plays a major role in Mediterranean interiors. Terracotta tiles, mosaic patterns, and natural stone flooring enhance the earthy and organic appeal. For a truly authentic look, opt for handcrafted tiles with intricate patterns inspired by Mediterranean artistry. Furniture in Mediterranean interiors is all about rustic charm and timeless craftsmanship. Think sturdy wooden tables, wrought iron accents, and plush upholstered seating. Layer your space with richly patterned rugs, embroidered cushions, and linen drapes to add texture and depth. Mediterranean kitchens are inviting and full of character. Open shelving, hand-painted tiles, and wooden cabinetry create a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Add copper or brass fixtures for a hint of old-world charm. And don't forget to incorporate fresh herbs for a touch of nature. Cooking in a Mediterranean-style kitchen should feel like a sensory experience, with the smell of olive oil and fresh basil filling the air. No Mediterranean home is complete without an inviting outdoor space. Whether it's a small balcony or a spacious courtyard, create a relaxing retreat with wrought iron furniture, colorful ceramics, and cascading greenery. Lantern-style lighting and a water feature will add a magical finishing touch. Picture yourself sipping a glass of wine under a pergola adorned with climbing vines, as a gentle breeze carries the scent of lavender and citrus. A Mediterranean bedroom is a sanctuary of comfort and relaxation. Soft linen fabrics, vintage-style wooden bed frames, and flowing white curtains create an airy, dreamy atmosphere. Natural materials like rattan and terracotta bring warmth, while pops of ocean blue and olive green reflect the coastal charm. Layered lighting from lanterns or wall sconces adds a cozy, romantic glow. Mediterranean interior design brings warmth, elegance, and a sense of timeless beauty to any home. Whether you're revamping an entire space or just adding Mediterranean touches, these design ideas will help you create a relaxed and inviting atmosphere. From the earthy textures to the handcrafted details, every element works together to create a space that feels effortlessly elegant. Bathrooms in Mediterranean homes embrace both function and beauty. Expect to see intricate mosaic tilework, arched mirrors, wrought iron accents, warm lighting, and natural materials bring an earthy and calming ambience, turning the space into a serene retreat. Adding decorative touches like hand-woven towels and clay pottery enhances the authentic feel. No Mediterranean home is complete without unique accents and accessories. Hand-painted ceramics, intricate tapestries, and colorful mosaic patterns add a touch of artistry. Consider adding decorative mirrors with ornate frames, woven baskets for storage, and clay vases filled with fresh flowers or dried lavender. These elements bring depth and personality to your space, making it feel rich in culture and history. Mediterranean interior design brings warmth, elegance, and a sense of timeless beauty to any home. Whether you're revamping an entire space or just adding Mediterranean touches, these design ideas will help you create a relaxed and inviting atmosphere, from the earthy textures to the handcrafted details. Every element works together to create a space that feels effortlessly elegant. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exterior and interior design inspiration. Let us know in the comments which Mediterranean design idea is your favorite. And see you in the next video.